Okay, guys. So, quickly, I really want to point out some few things. All right. Um, why you've not been making enough sales? All right. Why you've not been making good sales as a KDP publishers? All right. So, I'll be pointing out some few points. All right. So, and I need everyone to take it seriously. All right. This video will be very short and um be rich, all right, in content, all right. So why have you not been making enough sales as a KDP publisher, all right? So um your mindset, number one, your mindset, all right. A lot of people don't believe that KDP can give them that money they envision before they get started with the business, all right. A lot of people, no, you kept saying $2,000, $3,000, people making such money a month, but you still don't believe that you can actually make such money, all right. So it's actually the mindset that is holding a lot of people back, all right. A lot of people believe that, oh, I don't think this thing can work, I don't think, and you are seeing results, you are seeing people's results flying around, all right. Imagine someone who made 300 and something dollars in 12 days in the same group, right? I've seen all other of my students in some different groups that have done an incredible amount, all right, just going through the same training, all right. So your mindset, you need to let your mind be open to possibilities, all right. You need to let your mind be open to um how will I put it? Like, you need to first believe that, okay, you can actually make $500, $1,000 a month with KDP. All right. So by so doing, by that, you can, you can start thinking like what all the things you need to do will start coming into your mind. All right. By first believing it that you can actually make $1,000 monthly with Amazon KDP. All right. So people, this is the major thing that is drawing a lot, that is pulling a lot of people back. All right. They publish a book, um, no sales. I've seen someone coming to me, oh, I didn't make any sales, or someone said she made maybe $7. Okay, how many books did you publish? She said just one. All right. So you have to keep going, you have to keep doing it, all right. So secondly, you don't take it as a real business. Yes, a lot of people don't really take it seriously, even if it's a side thing for you. You need to take it as a real business. You need to, be able to put in a lot of work. All right. You need to take it seriously. Like, this thing will give me more. Like, they are full-time publishers. Like, I know a lot of full-time publishers that this is what they do. Okay, this is what they do. They don't know, they don't, like, I've seen people make money from publishing and buying cars, building houses. It is like, when someone start making $2,000, $3,000 a month, all these things are, you know is the business what to do. All right. So you don't take it as a real business, so you need to take it seriously. Like, this is a business. You can't go a day, if you have a shop, right, you can't go a day without opening your shop. All right. So you shouldn't go a day about learning one or two, or maybe if it's one chapter you want to do in a day. All right. And I see that a lot of people, they want to, just put it together anyhow, anyhow, and all right. So you need to take it as a real business. Create your book. Go take time to check through. All right. Spend time creating these things, like quality information that even you yourself can pay to buy your own book. All right. So Thirdly, you don't improve and update yourself, and this is a lot of people are like millions of thousands of people that go into Amazon publishing today in Nigeria. They don't improve themselves. All right. So someone, that, okay, let me take myself as an example. When I got to the internet space, I know that, okay, I need to learn a skill. Okay, I learned about KDP, and I realized that, okay, I can also teach people. I can also create a course. I can also sell a course around it. Okay, I feel I need to learn. Okay, how do I sell? How do I get people? Then I went ahead to buy how to run a Facebook ad course and Instagram. I went ahead to learn how to build a landing page. I went ahead, not free. I bought courses and I spent some time on YouTube too. All right, how to build a land. I learned how to build a small page website on YouTube, how to get a domain, things like that. Before I finally stumble on the course somewhere, I bought a course on copywriting just to put my sales copy together, because I know that, okay, these are the things I need to succeed in this business. Okay, let's come down to KDP. All right, you need to know how to design a good cover. Go and learn it. Okay, you need to know how to how will I put it now? Maybe write a description. All right, go to YouTube, learn all these things. If it is not you don't need to buy courses on all these things. Go to YouTube. Like, I don't think I've gone 2 days without, like, in my, like, since I've started in the internet space. I don't think I've gone 2 days. Okay, let me say, I don't think, I'm very sure 2 days without YouTube. Like, I don't think I've spent 2 days without going to check or look for something on YouTube. You understand? You can learn all of these things on YouTube. All right, so you need to improve yourself. All right, you need to update yourself. You need to know what's happening. You need to know what's selling. You need to know. A lot of people, okay, when I bought a course, I didn't just I knew I can't get all the info. Like, you need to stack up skills, right? You can't get everything in one thing. That is the problem of majority of people. They need you to feed them with everything in this life. You need to work on yourself too, right? You need to put all these skills together. This is what turns money for you. All right, as a publisher, people outsource their designs. In fact, people outsource their books. If you're very good at these things, you can even write books for people. All right, so you need to improve and update yourself. So my last point is that you don't mingle and learn from other publishers. All right, you need to learn from other people. This is the way you will know what's going on, what's selling, what are people doing. All right, so, and how do you see these people? Twitter. You see a lot of publishers on Twitter wanting to learn one thing or the other from people who are actually making these millions on Amazon KDP. Right? You see people that, okay, this is what they do, this is their niche, maybe a travel niche, maybe a cookbook, maybe a health book, the thing. So just to learn, if you're seeing other publishers, you're seeing what they're doing, you take that to your own what's it called, your own drawing board, and do the same. So when you go to Twitter, you start following Nigerian publishers and majorly Nigerian people, because all those Oyibo people, I realize that they outsource their stuff most of the time. So you mingle and learn for all of these people, publishers like you get really motivated. All right, you get really motivated, all right, to do stuff. Okay, you get really motivated to do stuff because you are seeing what others are doing. So finally, you need to get yourself motivated. You need to open your mind. You need to take this seriously. Alright. Alright. So I put this together so as to charge you people, push you people, and like I said, I'll be learning the alternative thing. I learned it doesn't really require keywords, it doesn't require so much, it's not as technical or as crazy as Amazon KDP. That's the Kobo writing life. So I'll be taking the training for the next 2 weeks, studying them. Then I'll be talking with you guys, following you guys up, then dropping assignments. Alright. Then we'll see how we go from there. So when I'm done with the training, then I'll come back to teach you people how you can actually, get started with Kobo writing life and be, profitable with it. So aside that, before that, the group will not be silent. I'll be dropping assignments, charging you people, pushing you people. Then the next video you're going to see is actually how to put together quality books. All right, how to put together quality books. All right guys, so take care. Let me know your feedback. Let me know your feedback from this short video, okay? And if there's anything you really needed me to touch, let me know.